Alright, today we're going to create um, the virtual disk with the 5 hard drive that we just installed on the server PowerEdge R440 for the project Jellyfin server. And at the same time, we can actually see and experience how to work with virtual disk using the iDRAC. Most of the time, you're gonna use the life cycle or the cycle controller, and you're gonna do it from there, create RAIDs and all that good stuff related with the RAID part. But you also can just use the iDRAC and you can do the same thing without have to connect the monitor to it. You just make sure that you connect the server to the internet and get IP and you're good to go. So let's log in. You didn't like him because he's not the right password. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna go to storage controller. You see we have this purge H730p adapter and physical drive. You see we have all the trays come full. We got 8 trays and 5 of them are actually 2.4 usable 2235G. So now these two guys are ready. So we're gonna create a virtual disk. You can do it from here, or you can do it from here. Let's go to the controller bar. Sorry. So let's create a virtual disk. But before, let's see what is the name. This one is V second. We need V this. All right. So let's go. We're gonna call it V. Sorry, forgot how the other one looked like. You said the B hyphen second action create B hyphen disk. All right, B first. It's gonna be RAID 0. I wanted to use RAID 5 or 10, but with 10 I'm gonna lose 2 hard drive. And then if I use RAID 5 I'm gonna lose 1. Then it's gonna be if we calculate a little bit, let's see. So we had 2235 times 5, that's 11.1 terabyte. If I do only 4 times 2235, it's about 9 terabyte. But because I have the NAS to back up all the media, I'm gonna use 0 to a faster and use all the storage available. So let's do next. If you can see here, all the hard drive available for this RAID, they are the big ones. So let's select all of them. What is this other storage? One or more physical disks specified for creating virtual disks do not have the same block size. Verify that the physical disk selected for creating virtual disks have the same block size. Re-enter the operational block size. All right, let's see. That was on 4 and 3. So 4 and 3, they are not the same. So we have a problem now. Okay, so let's pause the record. Sorry, okay, let's pause the recording and see what happened with tray 3 and 4. They are not working. They had different block size. Oh, wow. Okay, I guess we just go with it. Let's leave that last one out and let's continue. It's gonna be 8.73. That's fine. Okay, add to pending and apply now. Go to the job queue. So let's pause the video until it's finished. Okay, we're back. All right. This is my first video using OBS. So if you see some user issue, blame it on the OBS. Okay, cool. So definitely we're gonna have to replace that hard drive, and we're not gonna use it. We're just gonna use the 4 that we have. So going to controller, action, create virtual disk. We're gonna name it v-first, and that will give me that. So now we got 4. Okay, we have 8.73 and we're good to go. So add to pending, apply now, go to the job queue, and we're gonna pause the video. All right, let's go back to this. We'll reboot the iDRAC and we'll reboot the whole machine to the host machine. Remove the hard drive that is not compatible, and everything seems to be healthy. Let's go to storage, controller. Let's see physical, everything looks good and online. Build for this, we have one with 8 terabyte and the other one with 33. So let's go to the VMware. Let's load. Let's configure the storage now. Let me make sure that I can see me. This one here. Why I don't see the camera? Oh, we can take that off. So if we let's pause it for a second. All right, so I guess you guys can see me again. Now we're gonna go to storage, and we're gonna add a new one. Create a new BMFS. 8 terabyte. We gotta call it media because we already have media too. So we go with media. That's how you're gonna look. Finish. Yes. All right. So now that we had that, we're gonna load. Let's get the. I'm sorry. Let's get a flash drive. Well, let's first check if we have the server. Yeah, we have it in here. So let's go and load and create a new machine. What's the machine? We got Ubuntu. Let's make sure that it's working. Failed power machine, Ubuntu, operation not allowed, current state. Okay, so what we're gonna do is not to have a hard time with it. We're just gonna delete and create a new one. And we're gonna do action, delete. We're gonna close these ones, refresh. Register. Alright, so we go back to storage, provision. Okay, let's create one. Let's do Ubuntu and a machine, Linux, Ubuntu 64. Alright, so we're gonna use this guy. We're gonna next. Now we're gonna give in how many CPU? Let's do six. I have 32. Let's do 12 for now. Let's see if that let me do it. And we're gonna do um, let's do 32G. And the hard drive we're gonna do terabyte. Well, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna use 1024. And then we're gonna use the from here. Well, here Ubuntu client Ubuntu. Okay, that should do it. The BN configuration was rejected. Please browse the console. What will be that? Let's make sure that it's not exit maintenance mode. Probably that's what was happening, but we're gonna do 12. We're gonna do 32, 1024, and we're gonna use this guy. Media is alright. So let's see. This one allow me to do it now. Perfect. So.
Alright, this concludes the video for today. This is Leunamteck. I'll see you in the next one.